Degrease. Slippery. Stuff is amazing. I forgot what brand this degreaser was. This guy is shy to get on the camera. Stick that in there. Let her rip, tater chip. Nice and easy. Nope. That's coming out. Alright, perfect. Yeah. Yeah, I think the shock is leaking in there. Oh well. Where's the long one that we had? Why don't you put this down? You have to get this sleeve out first. Alright, that's not good. Easy. OEM. This plate comes off. OEM style progressive. Gonna reapply some Loctite on this. This is the Heim joint for the extension to lower it, and we're going to screw this top piece back in, make sure it's nice and flat. We're going to get the extension. Actually no, we should put this back in first. We're going to screw this back on the plate. Oh wow, this one's going further than the other one did. Hang on. We just gotta make sure that's flat. Alright. Now we got the extension in. Same plate, same washer back here. We're gonna tighten this up. Where did we put the 19? 19 is over here. Make sure that's snug. Nope. Heim joint's gonna go in next. We're gonna put some anti-seize. Where's the nylon? This is the jam nut for the Heim joint, so when I tighten it onto the shock, it doesn't start wiggling. Also, this kit, this lowering kit is from Burly, by the way. Well, you don't want to show my face?
You can show the whole thing, but I want to show what you're doing.
Anti-seize on here, so we'll be able to move this thing if you want to make adjustments. And this is going to thread into the extension. And for comparison, stock height ish is about here. Now we have about another 1.5 inches of travel or extension to go out. This is going to push the swing arm up into the wheel well, making it lower. I'm going to tighten this all the way, and then we'll match the other one that we already did together. Put the shock back in. That wasn't supposed to go like that. Take that off. Jesus! Keep dropping shit.
forgot to put the nut.
Hmm?
You forgot to put the thing on top.
What thing?
Oh,
that's what I'm missing. Yeah, you're right. Holy shit. An idiot.
The washer.
Yeah, this other collar goes on there. It only goes on here one way because there's a sleeve here. There we go. I knew I was missing something. I just couldn't figure out what it was.
We just put the spring on first and then put that on second.
There we go. Now we can put the cover / sleeve back on. And now we have to press this back into there and put this retaining clip back inside to keep it from coming back up. Don't mind me, I'm just looking at what you're doing. So that's gonna push in there. I don't know, somebody messed this up right here. I don't know what they did. Looks like a little chunk over there, but that was there when I got the bike. So he's gonna put the retaining ring back in there. Is it in all the way?
Yeah.
That's it.
Doing a couple love taps. Got it.
Is it? This is the extension. And then this is going to thread all the way up to lower the bike. Hell yeah. Let's see how it looks when it's done. I have my boy Ariel sit on the bike really quick so you guys can see how much lower it gets. Go ahead and sit on Ariel. Hell yeah, it looks so much better. It's perfect. Shop is a mess. Time to clean up.
Yeah, the suckiest part about doing a good job is cleaning up.
Right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna get all this stuff, junk off the floor.